What's up, YouTube? Back with another quick one. Look, I can tell you how to make some quick gains off your money, or you want to stake. Just keep up with me. Go on Coinbase and buy you some crypto. Start looking at what's trending, up or down. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Cardano, XRP. I named a couple just for you already. So you can't say you don't know what to buy. I'm not recommending you buy anything, but I'm just saying those are there for you to purchase. Let's make some money with this stuff. You want to go to the club every weekend. You want to party with your friends and play video games. Bro, if you want to make some real money, you start playing the video game of, I'm going to play the money game. And I'm serious. You see guys playing Monopoly. You can play a board game that's getting money, but you can't do it in real life. You can play GTA in real life. You can play GTA in real life. I can build my guns. I can customize my car. That's just two things. But guess what? I need the money to do all those things. That's why I said that money brings power. So get on Coinbase. Try to figure out how to make you some money and 10x, 100x your money. We're not figuring it out. Of course, I am. I'm going to get my slice. Of course, when I first started, I bumped my head a couple times, but I wanted to learn. Just getting on YouTube, I don't have to tell you any of this game. I've noticed successful people don't have to give the game. They're already doing it. I'm already buying crypto. So I'm just trying to help the next person. It could be somebody 17, 16 watching my channel right now. Buy it. Take risks to get that money. You're hearing about Bitcoin. Don't you want some money? Most people don't want to buy this stuff because they can't physically touch it. Who cares? You can't touch that money on that video game either. And that's not even real. So come on, let's step it up. Let's do this.